Using a Visa card online is a convenient and secure way to make purchases from the comfort of your own home. To get started, you will need a Visa card issued by a bank or financial institution and an online account with the merchant you wish to purchase from. First, ensure your Visa card is activated and you have the necessary details including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is typically 16 digits long and can be found on the front of your card. The expiration date is usually listed on the front of the card as well, and the security code is a 3 or 4-digit code located on the back of the card. To make an online purchase, navigate to the website of the merchant you wish to purchase from and select the items you wish to buy. Once you have selected your items, proceed to the checkout page where you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Select Visa as your payment method and enter your card details including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter your details accurately to avoid any errors or declined transactions. You may also be prompted to enter your name and address to verify your identity. Once you have entered your payment details, review your order and confirm the payment. It is also important to ensure you are using a secure connection when making an online purchase. Look for the HTTPS in the website URL and a lock icon in the address bar to indicate a secure connection. Additionally, be cautious of phishing scams and only make purchases from reputable merchants. After confirming the payment, you will receive a confirmation email from the merchant with details of your order. You can also check your Visa card statement online or through your mobile banking app to confirm the transaction. To protect yourself from fraud and unauthorized transactions, make sure to keep your Visa card details secure and do not share them with anyone. Also, monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity and report it to your bank immediately if you notice anything unusual. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use your Visa card online to make purchases from anywhere in the world. Remember to always prioritize security and be cautious when making online transactions to avoid any potential risks.